Hi, fourth grade. These are the vocabulary words for this week for our story of the week, which is called Seekers of Knowledge. Our first word is ancient. Ancient, it means of times long past. So as we can see in this picture, there is the pyramid in Egypt along with the Sphinx, and these were buildings that were constructed in ancient times. So they are ancient. Our next word is link. A link is anything that joins or connects, for example, a loop of a chain. So this is the diagram of a chain, and each one of those chain links come together to create the whole chain. So each one individually is the chain, it's a link, and they are linked together. Our next word is scholars. Scholars are people who dedicate themselves to studying and learning, people having much knowledge. So this is a picture just, I think, maybe of some graduates from university. Professors that work at university tend to be called scholars because they study a subject a lot to be able to become very, very knowledgeable in that subject. So a scholar is somebody who studies and learns a lot. Students, for example, like you guys are all scholars. Our next word is seeker. Seeker is actually in the title of our story, right? A seeker is someone who tries to find something or one who searches. And in this picture, we've got seekers. They're actually archaeologists who are working in an ancient site, trying to find or dig up. I'm not really sure what they're trying to dig up in this picture, but they are seeking information about our past, and that's what archaeologists do. But not only is an archaeologist a seeker, but anyone who looks for truth or knowledge or is looking for information can be considered a seeker. The next word is temple. A temple is a building that is used for the service or worship of a god or gods. This is a picture of a temple from Bali, a Buddhist temple. So it's a temple where Buddhists go and worship their god, which is Buddha. So a temple is a place of worship. Our next word is translate. So to translate something means to change from one language into another. And so this picture that we have here, it's translated for us. We know hello in English. In Spanish, we know it as hola. In French, bonjour. In Mandarin, it's ni hao. And it also shows us in Japanese, Hindi, and Korean. And Miss Holmes doesn't speak any of those languages, unfortunately. And I wouldn't want to say the words wrong, but it looks like Japanese says konnichiwa, and Hindi says, it's namaste in Hindi, means hello. And in Korean, it's ari yong ha soryo. I don't know if I said that right, but translate means to take words and change it from one language to another. Our next word is triumph, and a triumph is a victory or a success. And so we've got a gold cup here that somebody won. They triumphed in a competition and won their golden cup. And our last word is uncover, and in this picture it says uncover the truth. So they've torn away the paper and they've uncovered the words that were written below. And I think we had a word last week that was reveal. So here our definition for uncover is to make known or to reveal or expose something. And last week, if you remember the word reveal, there was a picture of a curtain and it was pulled aside to reveal the actors that were going to be on the stage. So a reveal is a synonym to uncover. So those are the words for this week. Please work on your vocabulary pages and your readers and writers notebook. Take care.